What's up, everyone? Sean here from Crypto on Cause Investing, bringing you a crypto market update. But before we do that, I do want to mention that we are going to be launching our NFTs and our tokens for our call channel / YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that because that will be coming soon. But let's go ahead and hop on into the news. So the SEC appealed not a setback for Ripple XRP ruling. An appeal from the Security and Exchange Commissions in its case against Ripple Labs does not represent a significant blow to Ripple's recent courtroom victory, according to crypto lawyer John Deaton. An appeal is not even close to a setback, Deaton said, pushing back against a claim made on Twitter. Don't let anyone underestimate how significant this win is. Deaton's comments came after Federal District Judge Torres ruled earlier this month that XRP, the token that powers Ripple's payment network, is not necessarily a security on its face, except for instances when it was sold to institutions to raise funds. So for those of you that aren't paying attention, courts basically ruled that for institutional investors, it is a security. For retail investors like yourself and myself, it is not a security. So while it is pretty common in civil and criminal cases that court cases get appealed, I don't think it's a big deal. Like I said, it is common. It was expected. Do I think they're going to overrule it? I don't. But if they do, obviously, we would deal with it at that point. There obviously would be a hit on the market. The appeal can also take years to go through, just like the regular court case did. So in the meantime, or in the present time, it's a big win. Crypto market rebounded. XRP obviously skyrocketed because of it. But let's go ahead and hop on over to the next news article. So after a pause, U.S. Fed is likely to hike interest rates to 22-year high. After pausing in June, the U.S. Federal Reserve is widely expected to hike interest rates again on Wednesday, adopting its most restrictive monetary stance for 22 years despite recent signs of slowing inflation. After 10 consecutive hikes in just over a year, the Fed halted its aggressive campaign of monetary tightening last month to give policymakers more time to assess the health of the U.S. economy and the impact of the recent banking stress on lending conditions. So it is estimated that they probably are going to do a quarter-point hike. Again, these hikes are very, very temporary. If it goes down, we usually see a temporary spike and then level back up. If it goes up, like it more than likely will, we're probably going to see a dip and then it's going to level back out. So I don't put too much stock in these hike rates, especially for crypto. These last 3-4 hikes that we've had, there hasn't been too much going on in the market. The price would go up or the price would dip and then we would level back out. So I definitely don't stress myself about these rate hikes. But let's go ahead and look at the numbers of the market and see what we're playing with. So market cap is at 1.1 trillion, which is solid. It's basically been there the whole bear market. It's touched 1.2 a couple times. It's gone down to 1 trillion a couple times, but it's basically just sitting around that 1 trillion. BTC dominance is at 48% and ETH dominance is at 19%. Bitcoin is a tad bit below 30,000 at 29,178, which in a bear market, I will take a $29,000 Bitcoin all day long. Same thing with Ethereum at 1851. Anything over 1800 in my mind is bullish. XRP, of course, was sitting around the 50 cents, I guess 48 to 52 cents while that court case was going on. Obviously, it's around 70 cents now. Of course, there was going to be a spike with that ruling. BNB, again, between 230, 245, it is at 239. Dogecoin is actually up. It sat between 6 and 7 cents for a while. It's at 0.074, so half of 7 cents. So that's looking really good. Let's go ahead and hop on over to the meme market. Trading volume is up 245% to 1.8 billion. No huge top gainers. The last 24 hours, we've had Pepe AI up 14%, Elmo up 9.63, and 4 up 7.72, which is a little odd, especially with this trading volume. I would expect to see some really, really big gainers over the last 24 hours. We almost always see someone in the 100%. So I don't know, it kind of doesn't add up that there's that kind of trading volume, but no huge gainers the last 24 hours. But overall, market looks great. The SEC ruling against XRP came out in favor of us pro crypto. Again, this rate hike is going to be happening. We're going to see a little dip, but I have no doubt we will level right back out. And again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all the prices look great. And again, keep in mind, we will be launching our NFTs and our token for our call channel / YouTube channel. So go ahead and follow the channel or hop on over to our call channel, which is always linked in the description down below if you want details on that. But until next time, trade safe.